Hello friends, if you clicked on this video after looking at thumbnail, you have landed on the exact right video. Today I am going to tell you all about the Vital Shoulder Massager, real relief or cheap scam. So let's get straight into the truth. The Vital Shoulder Massager is actually a real physical device that delivers heat, light, vibration and mild compression. If you buy it, you will get a working product. However, there is a big catch with its marketing. Many videos and ads promise that this massager can cure chronic joint pain, replace physical therapy, or help you avoid shoulder surgery. That is completely misleading. It is just a basic heated pad that gives temporary relief for sore muscles, nothing more. You will also see many YouTube reviews using shortened links claiming no script, no sponsor, but they are just affiliate link trying to sell you the product for a commission. If you want basic warmth and light vibration for temporary muscle relaxation, it works fine. But if you have serious shoulder pain or joints issue, do not fall for the hype. Always consult a real doctor instead. Well, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. How did you like it? Please let me know down in the comment box below. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I keep bringing videos like this for you all.